How to voice comment on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can voice comment on your Facebook post. In order to do so, you need to first thing, make sure that you're connected to an internet service, and also you'll not be able to do it from the Facebook application. You need to install Facebook Lite on your device. So in order to install, head over to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Facebook Lite. Since I've already installed this application, so I need to open it. After you're done installing the application, you need to log in with your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page. In order to make a voice comment, you'll only be able to do it on the groups. So then you need to click on this try bar icon in the top right corner and you'll be taken to the menu page where you need to click on groups. As soon as you click on groups, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be able to see the groups that you are connected or that you have joined. Now you need to scroll down and you need to select the post where you want to actually make a voice comment. For example, I want to make a voice comment on this particular statement. So all you need to do is you need to click on the comment icon. So just tap on it and then you'll be able to see a list of icons. So then you can see there is a microphone icon as well. Click on it in order to make a voice comment. And if you're sure about it, click on record. And once you do this, you need to allow all of these necessary permissions. So click on allow if you're using it for the first time. After you're done enabling all of these features, you need to click on the microphone icon once again. So right at the bottom there is a confirmation, so click on record. As soon as you click on record, after that you can record the voice message in order to add it to your comment. And once you're done adding the comment, click on stop and it will give you a chance to listen to it, and if you're sure about it, then you can post it and if you feel that there are some mistakes, then you can delete it as well and then record it once again. In this way you can voice comment on your Facebook or comment on Facebook with voice. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching.